I'm going to show you how to restart as well as how to factory reset a pair of AirPods Max 2. So first thing is, let me show you how to restart these, okay? So currently I'm connected to my iPhone here. You see my AirPods Max is connected, okay? So let me show you first how to restart, okay? So to restart, all you do is press and hold two buttons, the digital crown and the noise cancellation button here, okay? Press and hold both buttons, keep holding until the light here turns amber. As soon as it turns orange, you gotta let go quickly, okay? So we'll do it together. Let's restart it. Digital crown, noise cancellation button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Keep holding. Still holding both buttons. Still holding. Still holding. Oh, there it is. Let go quickly, okay? Don't hold it too long, okay? So now we just basically restarted, okay? You can see my AirPods Max, it was not connected. Now it's connected back, okay? So that was just a restart. Now, if you're still having connecting or pairing issues, then we can proceed with a factory reset. Now with a factory reset, again, it's the same thing here, the two key combination, digital crown and noise cancellation. You want to press and hold both buttons again, but this time we want to keep holding and wait till it turns orange. Keep holding, and then once it turns white, then we can let go. So let's factory reset these, okay? So currently I'm connected to my AirPods Max. Let's factory reset these two buttons here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding both buttons. Still holding both buttons here. Still holding. Still holding. Okay, amber, hold it, keep holding. Okay, now when it's blinking white, now let go. Now we just factory reset it, okay? And you can see my AirPods Max, it currently says not connected, okay? So if I wanted to connect back to my iPhone here after I factory reset these, I cannot simply tap on here. I would have to tap on here and just go to forget this device, or if you're on an Android phone, you would click on unpair, because even if I try to tap to connect it again, it's going to tell me to forget it anyway, okay? So now this is totally off my pairing list, okay? So now if you want to connect it back, it's still in it's pairing mode, blinking, a white blinking light indicating pairing mode, okay? So now if I want to connect back to my iPhone, I would just go under here under devices, and it's looking for devices that are in pairing mode, but mine's not showing up here. Let me just turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on to rescan. Yep, it's not in pairing mode. Let me put this back in pairing mode. I want that white blinking light. Okay, now it's in pairing mode. Now I can go back here and let's see if it finds it now. AirPod Max right there. Sometimes you'll get the this pop up. You can tap that way to connect, or if not, you can just go this. Oops, you can go this way as well. And then we should be connected. You can see AirPods Max, we're connected back. Pretty simple.